Hello everyone, it's a continued video from the previous one where we were discussing about the database tables and others with the help of SQL. And before that, I wanted to showcase that what is the thought process you should be going with. SFMC training is my database which I'll be creating. Okay. Then I'll be creating three tables: students, day-wise topics, and attendance. So let's go over that. So it's a process of learning. So if you get a chance, try to practice this one. Okay, it's not mandatory for SFMC. So let us create database first. Create database SFMC underscore. Okay. This is first command. Then you'll say use SFMC training. Then you'll be creating three tables. Okay, this is the basic steps. So first I'll show the databases. Show databases command. I'll copy this and then show databases again. Okay. I'll execute all the four commands one after the other. See, it is now completed. It was fetched in 42 seconds, but it took a lot of time in. Now let's see one by one. Show databases. Okay. Oh, now it is good. Show databases. You can see there is a SFMC, sys and world. There is no SFMC training. Create database SFMC training. I always type my names in lowercase. So this was executed successfully. Query OK, one row affected. Then say use and then show databases again. It is now showing this data. This is a new database. Now I need to create three tables, correct? Students table, day-wise topics, and attendance table. So to create a table, you will be going with this command: create table. What is your table name? Students. Then you'll use the round bracket. You can type it in multiple lines. As I mentioned, semicolon is the end. Now, what are the fields I need? Name, email, and gender. Name, comma, email, comma, gender. So each of them should specify the data type. This is a bit tricky for the new people. Data type means what do you want to store here? I want to store character with a maximum length of 25. Email, I want to store it in character. We don't have SQL. SQL doesn't have email address data type, which will be having 254 character. I want to store gender, which is one character, M or F. So name is the field, email is the field, gender is the field. So this is the table one. Then I will be creating the next table, create table. Okay. What is the next table? Next table is day-wise topics. Day underscore wise underscore topics. You can see my typing also. Then create table attendance. And I'll go with this. So day-wise topics, topic, date, and topic. Topic underscore date, comma, and then the topic. Then comes attendance. Attendance will be storing. Email is present. Email is present. And at last, the attendance underscore date. What do you want to store in topic date? It is date. What you want to store here? It will be character up to 254, which is lengthier one. So no comma for the last one. Then comes email, character 254. Then comes is present. Is present, we don't have the direct value here. So I'll be going with a character data type, which will be having A or P there. Okay, one. Okay. A absent, B, P will be present. Attendance date will be of type. So I'll be creating all these things, and as usual, I'll be showing you people first the show tables. It should not be present. All the three tables is not present now. And very importantly, you should be using your specific database. Use SFMC underscore training. This is very important, or else it will be created in a wrong database. Now I'll show tables not present. When I execute these three commands, now expected is these three tables should be present. Now I have attendance, day-wise topics and students. Now I should place the information here. Remember, it doesn't have anything, right? If I say select star from students, empty. What is the next thing? I have to insert data. This is the syntax to create tables, show tables. As I mentioned, this video is divided so that people are not getting panicked. So this is how you create a table in SQL. That's the reason, to make you people comfortable, I showed you an Excel file. You people know how to create this in SFMC, correct? This is a data extension. This is a data extension. This is a data extension, which is known as table here. This is the syntax or programming approach. Now, how to insert data? Insert into students values. Now, understand this. Insert is a command. Into is a command. Students is your table name. Values what you want to specify. And here we have three things to mention: name, email, and gender. All the three are in characters. You have to use single quotes. First is name, then comes the email address, then comes the gender. I'm just using the shortcuts of Notepad++. Then comes Ginger, Abdul, and I'll go with one more. Go with one more. Yes. And here I'll change the gender. Don't worry about the email address. Don't worry about the email address here. Go with Girigar, Abdul, Akash, and Ramesh. Okay. This is how you'll insert. Select star from students. So now it will be easy for you people to understand. If I have to create data like this, it takes a lot of time and effort. It will take a lot of time and effort. This is where we will be using our tools. Okay. So don't worry about create or insert. I just wanted to educate you people on these fundamentals. Okay. So create, and so I'll be sharing this file will be shared with the people so that you people can see. Just ignore this part, it's not mandatory, but it would be great if you can start thinking in this direction, and every day as a practice, try to create one table and try to insert some data like this. Okay. In SQL, if you get a chance, try to spend 15 to 30 minutes every day. Um, and only request is don't neglect SQL. SQL is very important. So after learning all these things, okay. So expecting that you will be completing this thing by tomorrow, so at least some practicing. So we'll try to connect on that one later. So thank you. So we'll pick our SFMC topic. Okay, thank you. Let me stop the recording.